Hey, welcome back to the channel. We got the Burnout beater loaded up. We're gonna go head to the Burnout competition. This is gonna be good. Well, we made it to the competition. Now we got to enter the Burnout beater and go hit the pad up.
Dude, I dig the look. It's crazy how much that sucks in. You can hear the whistle.
Oh, that's bad. Can't see it. Where are you? Can't tell. Well, there's one piece.
You
And
completely shattered it, dude.
the other piece is up in the floorboard. Dang it. Well, that was one pathetic showing. We broke the leaf springs on the rear, so therefore, there goes our day. That was open pad. The competition starts in like an hour, but doesn't look like we're gonna participate in the competition as we have broke the Burnout beater. That's probably why it's called the beater.
You got them loose.
Well, the quote of the day is going to be, "You must fail before you succeed." And that's what we did today. We had an epic failure. Bad wheel hop, which I suspected and probably should have did something before we entered the Burnout beater. If you watched the previous video, I mentioned that, and yeah, it happened. I think it was a combination of the pad not being wet. After they wet the pad down a little bit, I was able to get some wheel speed and then not have that wheel hop. But I think by then we already broke the leaf spring. So yeah, we're gonna take the Burnout beater back home and we will put it in the back for a while until we find out when the next Burnout competition is, and we will make it, you know, a little bit better. At least, hopefully good enough that we can compete instead of only doing the open Burnout, which we didn't even do that very well. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Until next time. Oh, good night, Burnout beater. Till we ride again.